VIVO V21 5G is a first 5G phone in non-Pro series. It's strange, right? So, in this video, I will be discussing all the features of brand new VIVO V21. We will get documentation and some ejector, along with TPU case. Quality of case is decent. In this box we will also get the 33 watts VIVO flash charger, with USB Type-C cable, and wired earphones with 3.5mm audio jack, and dongle for 3.5mm to USB Type-C. Design of this phone looks very premium and in-hand feel is very good. It has in-display fingerprint sensor, and has glass build on the rear side, and it is 7.29mm thin smartphone. Impressive, right? Yes, it is the one of the slimmest phone. Weight of this phone is around 177 grams. It has hybrid SIM card slot. Let's go to the main features now, but first of all, if you love our video then like video and subscribe our channel. It has 6.44 inches FHD plus E3 AMOLED display with 90 Hz refresh rate. It has Dimensity 800U processor. It has battery of 4000 mAh, battery capacity is on little lower side but it will give decent power backup. And yes, it is powered by 33 watt flash charger, and it can charge 0% to 65% in around 30 minutes. Selfie camera comes with 44 megapixels WAH camera, and it can record 4K 30fps video from selfie camera. It has triple camera setup at rear side. The main camera is of 64 megapixel, 8 megapixels wide-angle camera with bokeh effect, 2 megapixels micro camera. And yes, it also has WAH and support 4K recording at 30 fps. Now coming on performance. It gives you excellent performance, without any lag. You can play games at medium to high setting without any frame drop and lag. It supports dual 5G, Wi-Fi calling. It has Bluetooth 5.0, and Wi-Fi 5 in it. SAR value is also within the limits. The price is estimated and will be around 25 to 30,000 rupees. And if you're looking for a smartphone for good camera quality and decent game performance, then you should definitely buy this VIVO V21.